Hello 43 class, this is a question from our Chapter 8, Section A homework, and it wants us to figure out how many grains of wheat would be placed on this square if the king puts 1 on the first and then doubles for each square after that. So I've got Excel open up. This is a great question to do with Excel. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to write square here in the first cell, and under it I'm just going to start numbering 1, 2, 3, and again Excel will pick up a pattern, and I'm just going to go down until I get to 64. Okay, so there's, again, look at the side, it's the 65th cell, but since we've got square written in there, it's the 64th number. It's going in, or 64 is the number going in this cell, and you can see over here to the right, that's the number going in. Okay, and then over here I'm going to write grains. Okay, so 1 goes on the first square, and then what we do is we double it every time. So I'm going to click equals, click this cell, and then times 2. So it doubled. And then the nice thing about it, again, about Excel, is when you click the cell and you start dragging down, you can drag down until we get to the square that we're after. So how many grains should be placed in square 21? So we click there and we just drag down until we get to square 21. And notice it just keeps doubling. Double, 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 double. Alright. So in square 21 we get 104, 85, 76. So 1,048,576. And it says how many total grains of wheat should be on the board. So now we can just take this whole entire column up till there and just click the sum button. Okay, so there's the sum button, or sorry, the sum of all those. So 209,7151. Alright, and then what's the total weight after we put it all in there? So this is how many grains there are. It says each gram weighs 1/7000th of a pound. So we're going to, right beside here, you can do it anywhere, but I'm going to put it right beside here. I'm going to say equals, this is how many this is how many grains we have. So click that, times each one weighs 1/7000th of a pound. So times 1/7000th. Alright, you can also just divide by 7,000 and then hit enter. So there's how many pounds that we have. Alright, it says round to the nearest tenth. The nearest tenth would be, there's a 5 there, so a 9's beside it. So that would be 2996. 299.6 that is. Alright, so that's how you can do this problem with Excel. It's a great tool for when you're doing these repetitive doubling type problems.